There's an old story that I love that was in Laurel's Kitchen a long time ago, which is an old cookbook, and it was about a woman who was given a beautiful bouquet of flowers, and she rinsed out a vase that she hadn't used for a long time, and she made sure the vase was really clean. And then she put it on a table, and she realized she hadn't polished the table for a long time, so she polished the table. And pretty soon the whole room was clean, and then pretty soon the next room was clean. And I think that one of the functions of a great health coach is that it's not that there's anything wrong, but there's always so much more to strive for that we can do better in our lives, or that could make us feel happier, more satisfied, that could help us live our dreams. And so sometimes when we start with our physical health, our emotional health, our relationships and everything else get clean, just like that woman in that house who was given a bouquet of flowers.
You know, one of the challenges we see in healthcare today is often what the practitioner wants for the patient isn't necessarily in alignment with the patient's goals. And this is a real challenge today. If what the patient wants to accomplish is different than the practitioner's goals, we've got a huge disconnect. There's lack of follow-through, there's poor compliance, and there's a breakdown in the integrity of that relationship between that practitioner and their unique client. Now, health coaching changes that. It brings us into a new era where we can truly take the time within the medical practice and allow for those coaches to connect with the client. Take the time to really understand their goals and then bring those goals together with that which the practitioner expects that patient to achieve.
At Cleveland Clinic, we've started the first academic center for functional medicine, which is at the epicenter of change. They're creating value-based care, better outcomes at lower costs by dealing with the upstream causes, by looking at the lifestyle factors, by looking at where health actually happens, which is in the community, in people's kitchens, in their homes, in their grocery store, in their schools, in their workplaces, in their faith-based communities. That's where health happens, and that's where we're looking to create change, not only in the doctor's office. We're also innovating around practice models. We're bringing together a pod model at Cleveland Clinic with the doctor, nutritionist, health coach, medical assistant as a team to help guide patients through the transformation that leads to health.
We can see it in their hearts and when they're coming back, and the smiles on their faces and the changes in their lives where they are so deeply thankful. They've been not feeling well. They've not known where to go, and their lives are changing. And in bigger part, it's because of the help and support from the coaches that are helping with the behavior change that help people to be able to make it real in their own lives.
I've been around health coaching for quite some time, and I have to say that when I first saw the concepts brought together by the Functional Medicine Coaching Academy, I knew that this was going to be a great relationship for the Institute for Functional Medicine. The reason is this is a very unique program. This program not only deals with the strategies and solutions for managing behavior change, but it also leverages the functional medicine model and the philosophical approach to treating the cause of disease.
The Institute for Functional Medicine has really wonderful nutritional tools, really wonderful stress management tools, and other kind of supportive materials that allow you to start seeing somebody in a very holistic way.
The more detailed concepts of functional medicine that are occurring over many hundreds of hours to medical practitioners and actually being able to take them down to simplify them so they can have a direct impact in people's lives. The Functional Medicine Coaching Academy is essentially the translation of let's bring functional medicine into your daily life, into your decisions of how to move from illness to wellness.
This is an extraordinary next step in the evolution of what I call the evolution of healthcare. This is a revolution in thinking. It's empowering the patient to take charge of the most precious thing they own, which is their good health. And it's using these tools of systems biology in a way that will really make a difference, keeping a person away from just treating a symptom to actually creating health with their genes that will operate in a way that produces that long-term good health. So the Coaching Academy, to me, is the next step for where functional medicine is going.
Our curriculum is designed to give anyone the skills that they need to help clients get from where they are to where they want to be. So whether somebody is new to coaching, new to healthcare, or would like to expand upon the skill set that they already have, we're excited to share all that the Functional Medicine Coaching Academy has to offer. This is only the beginning.